Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, click on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of and enter your current login method. Now just click on Delete button next to the Edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully removed from Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!